This is Sadhna from Ekam Immigrations. I'm the operations head at Ekam Immigrations. Today I'd like to talk to you about documentation aspect. Now when you talk about visas, there are different kinds of visas like a permanent resident visa, visit visa, student visas, dependent visas, etc. Now documentation is the core aspect when you talk about any kind of a visa. That's the crux of your application. If the documentation goes wrong, your entire application goes for a toss. Hence, that becomes a very important aspect of your application. I come across several people who are of the point of view that documentation is merely collating your documents and filing the application. But that's not true. Documentation should be very carefully done. It should be properly analyzed, scrutinized, connected, and then the application needs to be filed. Then certain times I come across people saying, okay, my friend has done a particular visa, my profile is also similar to that, so I can just look into his documentation and file my application. But trust me, that's not true. Your application is different. Yours is an individual application, so there will be differences when compared to anybody's documents. So you need to be very, very careful while doing your documentation. Hence, you should always take help of a professional service who can help you and assist you doing in your application. Then, when I look into this from a client's point of view, there are two major aspects that the client looks into. One is in-time information and proper guidance. Now, immigration process is a dynamic process. You have changes happening in periodical intervals. So you as a client would need to know the changes happening so that if your profile is affected by any particular change that is happening, your application should be filed accordingly, projected accordingly. Then the second aspect which I was talking about is proper guidance. Now, in the process of your documentation, you will come across several applications which would be very crucial and difficult. Certain times you have certain projects which you need to prepare. So in this scenario, you would definitely need a help of a consultant who is experienced and specialized in doing this. We at Ekam Immigrations have a specialized, trained and experienced process consultant who can help you and guide you in taking ahead your process so that you have a hassle-free and a smooth process. If you would like to avail our services, you would like to know if you're eligible to apply for any of a particular visa, you can send us your resume. Our email ID is contact@ekam.in. Or if you want to know more details about our organization, you can log into our website, which is www.ekam.in, or you can also log in to www.ekamimmigrations.com. Thank you very much. I wish you all the very best.